First thing we're going to do is just grab 4 foam board from Dollar Tree. I'm just going to line them up together, take a tape and a scissor, and I'm just going to go ahead and attach the foam board with the tape and each one of them like that until you are sure to do the whole thing. Once you do the whole thing, I took a pool noodle, I put some tape around it, and I'm going to attach it to the foam board just like that to make an arch. As you can see, I put it too close and make sure to open a little bit. Just make sure to be a little bit rounded instead of like that, like my pointing up. And then go ahead and take a pencil and you're just gonna go ahead and draw it all the way around. Once you draw it, take your knife and start cutting it out all the way around until you cut the whole thing. Once you're done cutting the whole thing out, just take this stick, take some hot glue and attach it to your foam board. You're gonna continue doing this to the foam board until you attach all the part where you put the tape in for support. Then I went ahead and grabbed this vinyl, and here you could also use transfer tape. I think will be more than the vinyl. And then I'll use 7 pieces of these vinyls from Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take it apart, the paper, and then place it on my foam board. And here, make sure to hold it in place. Once you put it there, make sure to hold it like that and just keep scrolling it down and then keep attaching it. Sometimes you might have a little bubble, just stretch it out like that with your hands and then it should be able to come off. Then just continue doing this, attaching your vinyl onto the whole thing until you're done. But before you do that, at the end I just cut a little bit of the paper on each side like that so it can attach in place just like that, you guys. Pretty simple. Then you're gonna continue doing this so you hold foam board until you're done, and it should look like this. Then once you've done that, I took this stickers and then I'm just gonna go ahead and take it apart and I'm going to attach it to the foam board. In here, before you attach the stickers, I made sure to know where you're gonna put it, because once you put it, you won't be able to take it apart or you will ruin the whole backdrop like that. Like here, I tried to do it a little bit, it's not lined up, you see, so I have to just leave it as that. Then continue putting your unicorn. Once I done that, this is how everything it turns out. Super cute, you guys. Next I will be showing you how to make the little table that you see with the balloons. So please subscribe if you want to see more of my DIY videos. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and let's not forget to hit the little bell button if you want to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks again. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this backdrop DIY that only cost me $12. Simple to do, and it came out super beautiful. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.